Camon X Pro, the most extraordinary phone for taking selfies. The Face ID unlock function will let you unlock your phone with just a glance. A completely reinvented innovation of the front camera, coming with a 24-megapixel shooter, uses the 4-in-1 imaging tech so that images captured can be immediately processed through the camera system for the best selfie. With the Camon X Pro, you can photograph in any low light by simply adjusting the flash and evaluate your selfie by its Auto Beautify function. The rear camera quickly focuses on moving image with its 16-megapixel shooter. With the latest HiOS system, working on your device has never been easier. This is Camon X Pro, 24-megapixel clear selfie.
Twenty-four megapixel selfie, clearly better. Tecno Mobile, proud sponsor of Manchester City.